ProSec, in business since 25 years, offers cleaning services for houses, businesses, and condos. With their biodegradable product designed with special high-quality standards, they can clean your carpets, furniture, sofas, office chairs, and of course their specialty, your imported rugs. Having furnished your satisfaction, they have for goal to maximize your cleaning using as less humidity as possible for the best results. To have more information on their services and about their maintenance program, you can contact them on their website, prosec.ca, on their Facebook page, or by phone at 514-725-7747.